Halo semuanya, kembali lagi di episode baru kita hari ini dengan perspektif satu titik hilang. Dan objek kali ini adalah Victoria Street Edinburgh City. Seperti biasa kita bakal mulai dengan garis pola dasar dulu. Untuk satu titik hilangnya kita bakal buat titiknya di tengah, lalu buat garis hilangnya. Sedikit bercerita, Victoria Street itu berada di kota Edinburgh, Skotlandia. Victoria Street adalah sebuah jalan berbatu yang indah dan berkelok. Merupakan salah satu jalan paling ikonik di Edinburgh. Menurut Ratu Victoria, jalan ini memancarkan pesona abadi yang memikat hati penduduk setempat maupun wisatawan. Dengan deretan bangunan berfasad warna-warni dan berbagai toko unik, jalan ini menampilkan keragaman arsitektur serta warisan sejarah Edinburgh. Victoria Street dirancang oleh arsitek Thomas Hamilton, salah satu tokoh kunci dalam transformasi kota tersebut melalui bangunan-bangunan bergaya neoklasik yang sangat dipengaruhi oleh arsitektur Yunani kuno. Namun ditetapkan bahwa bangunan-bangunan di sepanjang jalan baru ini harus mengusung gaya Flandria kuno dan mengambil inspirasi dari detail-detail arsitektur Hiram Hospital. Begitulah sedikit informasi cerita dari objek ini.
ringtone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming through the years left in the dust. But after all the lessons learned, it would end the both of us. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. In the summer, man, it feels like yesterday, when she was looking out that window on the bus to second grade. The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now it's time to go our separate ways. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my whole world become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave. There's a first for everything, like her hand holding mine. Now I'm left here with the pain from her I love you goodbye. And though it hurts to watch my baby girl become the woman she would be, the thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.